Chapter 11. Exotic Kerala. Kerala, also known as the God's own country, is one of the most popular travel destinations of India. Let's us read more about Kerala. Kerala, the tropical paradise of India, is a glittering gem of Indian history and a gleaming brand in the global tourism industry. Bright green paddy fields, sprawling tea and coffee estates and luxuriant forests abundantly paint this South Indian state in green. A fusion of sun season with backwater houseboats is an experience in itself. There are fabulous temples, charming colonial buildings and amusing historical monuments that make the picture even more striking. The daredevils can trek the cool hill stations, cycle through the rustic countryside or take stimulating nature walks. Jungle safaris and bird watching are experiences that can inspire you to travel to Kerala time and time again. Holistic healing is the most traditional way of pampering tourists in Kerala. The state practices Ayurveda and herbal treatments. The flavors and aromas of the indigenous spices extend from the plantation estates to the mouth-watering cuisines of Kerala. Kerala has a lot more to entertain the tourist with its energetic dance, music, festivals and rituals. Be prepared to receive a warm welcome at the God's very own country. Visit to the God's own country an ecstatic experience. Nature. Feel blessed as the Mother Nature discloses its treasure of magical lakes, rivers, waterfalls, beaches and hill stations. Heritage. Take a trail through history and explore the excellent architecture and old world charm of temples, churches, forts, palaces and other historical monuments. Houseboat stay. Spend days and nights on traditional houseboats that constantly move over the tranquil backwaters along the countryside. Cuisine. Experiment with the region's aromatic spices that have been persistently enhancing the quality of Kerala's cuisines for centuries. Ayurveda. Be at peace like never before and let your mind relax with herbal massage and holistic healing at an Ayurveda center. Wilderness. Get lost in the splendor of ecosystems that range from evergreen rainforests to highland deciduous forests. Culture. Be a spectator of the colorful performing arts that merge the engrossing folklore and ritualized martial art with melodious music and elaborated dance forms. Participate in the vivid festive processions where incredibly decorated elephants lead the way. A treasure house of tourist attractions. Cochin, the city that attracted foreign traders to India. Cochin, or Kochi, is the gateway that leads you to the era of colonized India. It is the true explanation of the word cosmopolitan and bears the influence of several cultures of the world. You come across landmarks like Santa Cruz Basilica, Bastion Bungalow, Paradise Synagogue, Dutch Palace and many temples, museums, mosques and monuments. Beaches, theme parks, tourist villages, backwaters and festive celebrations are some other attractions of the state. Munnar. Munnar once served as a summer resort for the British. The charm of this picturesque hill station didn't fade with time and it continues to cast its spell with expansive tea plantations, marvelous vantage points, riches of biodiversity and the thrilling adventures of boating, rock climbing, nature walking and watching the playful elephants. Beautified with lakes and waterfalls and continually engulfed in clouds. Wayanad, nested in the green stretch of the Western Ghats, the district of Wayanad assembles the most pleasant aspects of Kerala Muthanga Wildlife Sanctuary and Pukkode Lake to the time-defeating forts, caves, temples, tombs and mosques. The region is nothing less than a treasure. Thekkady, home to one of the best tiger trails of India at the Periyar National Park, Thekkady is a place for the adventurous spirits. Watch the fearless wildlife through nature walks or boat cruises on Periyar Lake and indulge in activities like bamboo rafting and trekking. Give the best treat to your senses with tours of plantation that grow spices like cardamom, black pepper, clove and cinnamon. Alleppey. If you know Kerala by the holiday themes of backwaters and houseboats, you need to be at Alleppey, also called Alappuzha, the land of grand temple festivals and thrilling snake boat races. Alleppey is also home to some of the finest beaches that introduce one to the charming Arabian Sea. Kovalam. Spotless beaches make Kovalam a refreshing tourist hub in Kerala. The crescent-shaped beaches promise complete relaxation that can relieve one from physical and mental pains. Join the inviting sea waves on a surfing expedition or on a motorboat. Include in your itineraries other notable destinations of Kerala, the most popular ones being Telicherry, Thattekad, Vazhur, Neeleshwar, Kumarkom, Mararikulam, Kanyakumari and Trivandrum.